Good evening, children of class 7. How are you all after Puja vacation? I believe you all are healthy in mind and health. From today, I'm going to start your second unit test syllabus. First lesson, which I'm going to start today, is lesson 7 in Sayadri Hills, a lesson in humility. Now, what is humility? Humility means sharmindagi, humiliation. People residing in some specific place, they feel ashamed. क्यों? किस लिए? What is the reason that we are reading this story? Actually, the person who is telling this story has visited this particular place, सयाद्री हिल. और वहाँ उन्होंने क्या देखा, क्या ऑब्जर्व किया, वहाँ के लोग कैसे हैं, किस तरह से रहते हैं, उनका चाल चलन, रहन सहन, खाना पीना, इन सब के बारे में इस चैप्टर में बताया गया है. आई लव ट्रैवलिंग. मुझे ट्रैवल करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. बी इट अ टाइनी विलेज, अ ड्रॉट हिट एरिया, अ डेजर्टेड माउंटेन टॉप, a dense forest, or even a mountain in Egypt or China, I enjoy going to different places. मुझे हर जगह में घूमना अच्छा लगता है, चाहे वो डेजर्ट हो, चाहे वो कोई हिली एरिया हो, কোনো জঙ্গল হলো, যাই হলো, যে কোনো জায়গায় আমার ঘুরতে ভীষণ ভালো লাগে. I enjoy going every places. On one occasion I went to सह्याद्री हिल. कोई एक occasion में मैं सह्याद्री हिल में गया. Densely forested region in Karnataka. It is in Karnataka. Densely forested region. बहुत घना जंगल है यहाँ पर, अनेक जंगल अच्छे. It had been drizzling the whole day. Whole day यहाँ पर झिरझिर 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 करके बारिश होती रहती है, बिजली पोटते ही थके. Now forests are difficult to negotiate during the rains, especially due to the presence of those dreaded leeches. One out to visit them during the season to get the most out of them. एक ही प्रॉब्लम है, एक একটাই প্রবলেম হচ্ছে, সেটা হচ্ছে বড় বড় লিচ, মানে তোমার যেগুলোকে যোগ বলা হয়, পাওয়া যায়. ভীষণ প্রচণ্ড বৃষ্টি হয় কন্টিনিউয়াসলি বলে দে kept on coming out from the ground as because they have holes and to live and water inserts over there and they comes out. यही प्रॉब्लम है. This is the main problem why people cannot visit. Otherwise, this is a very nice area. The mild smell of exotic trees, shrubs and flowers, the chirping of different kind of bird, the gentle whistle of the unpolluted breeze, these are joys that can never be experienced in any other town or city. In other town, when we visit, we can experience different weather, people, then traffics, scenarios, sceneries. But if we visit over here, then something natural we see, like chirping of birds, then different fragrance, खुशबू, अलग अलग पेड़ के पानी में भीगने के बाद जो एक खुशबू निकलती है, that. And then continuous a breeze is going on. Then unpolluted breeze means what? Fresh air you are always getting, because enormous amount of trees, and trees, we all know trees fresh out there. I was there to visit a tribal village school deep in forest. I was there to visit a tribal village school. ट्राइबल विलेज के स्कूल में आई नीड टू गो एंड विजिट, और वहीं पर मैं गया था. द चैरिटेबल ट्रस्ट with which I am connected wanted to help improve the school. मैं एक charitable means the trust or an institution or an organization जो लोगों को help करता है without any return. तो I also work under a charitable institution, or on their behalf I visited the hill to see the school. Thandas, a local group of tribal are called. जहाँ मैं गया था, they were Thandas. They were very delightful, means very jolly, happy. Normally there is a headman in each Thanda known as Thandappa. ठंडा का जो हेड होता है उसे थंडप्पा कहा जाता है. ही इज कॉल्ड अ थंडप्पा. ही इज द सीनियर मोस्ट मैन ऑफ ट्राइब एंड इज कंसिडर्ड द सुप्रीम पावर, ऑलमोस्ट अ लिविंग गॉड. ही हैज बीन कंपेयर्ड विद अ गॉड as because he is the sole authority of the tribe. All are beholden to him. Beholden means put their head down, and they are all given the different responsibilities and duties which they have to do and get deposit the work to the Thandals, Thandappa. That Thandappa, I have done this job. You have given the responsibility, I have finished. He practices the custom taught to him in his childhood and everyone follows them. जो custom ठंडप्पा follow करते हैं सभी उसी को follow करते हैं. There was a down power when I reached the village. Down power मतलब loss of current and normal life बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्टर्ब थी क्योंकि बहुत बारिश हो रही थी. The rain, the glistering leaves, and the strong smell of wildflower made me feel as though I was on a different planet. वहाँ का atmosphere, excessive rain, continuous smell of the trees, I felt that I am living in a different planet. It's outside the earth. But I never felt like an intruder. लेकिन मुझे कभी ऐसा नहीं लगा that I am insisting to live in between them because those people were very homely with me and they made me feel like a home. Not even when I reached the school after a long walk and every village stood by staring at me. कभी ऐसा भी नहीं लगा कि जब मैं स्कूल में जा रहा हूँ आई एम विजिटिंग द स्कूल आई एम सीइंग द पीपल सीइंग द चिल्ड्रन एवरीबडी स्टेयरिंग एट मी बड़े बड़े आंखों से हो ये कौन है कहाँ से आया नथिंग लाइक दैट दे वर वेरी इजी ओके समबडी हैज कम वेलकम come and sit over here. They made me a part of their life, and I very easily became a part of their life as well. Reaching the school was an adventure in itself. School में पहुंचना एक बहुत बड़ी बात थी. I saw a lady walking with rhyming grace despite the 3 pots of water balanced on her head. 3 pots of water, 3 मटका पानी उसके सर पे था and she was moving with a she was singing something inside her mouth as because she was gaining energy. क्या करता है ना जब इंसान पे बहुत ज़्यादा काम का लोड रहता है और टेंशन में रहता है तो द पर्सन स्टार्ट सिंगिंग एंड दैट मोटिवेट्स हिम टू डू द वर्क वेरी नाइसली. I stopped her and asked, which way should I go to reach the school? She made an exclamatory sound, staring at me and walked away. मैंने उसको पूछा कि मुझे कहाँ किस तरफ जाना चाहिए स्कूल में जाने के लिए तो शी स्टूड अबैक अजीब तरह का साउंड निकाला और अगेन शी स्टार्टेड मूविंग. Perhaps she did not want to talk to a stranger, especially one from a town. Maybe she was not easy with talking with a stranger, specifically the person who is coming from the city as well or town. Or perhaps she did not understand my language. या फिर उसे मेरी लैंग्वेज का ही पता नहीं चला कि मैं क्या पूछ रहा हूँ. I then approached a man who was weaving a cane basket while humming folk song. फिर मैंने एक इंसान से पूछा जो एक बास्केट बुन रहा था कि वो भी गुनगुन करके गाना गा रहा था कि मुझे कहाँ जाना चाहिए. आई नेल्ट इन फ्रंट ऑफ हिम मैं झुका उसके सामने और पूछा बहुत ज़ोर से बोल के वेयर इज़ द स्कूल स्कूल कहाँ है. क्यूरियोसिटी वॉज रिटन ऑल ओवर हिज फेस. वो अजीब तरह से देखा है क्या बोल रहा है एंड सीम्ड एंक्शियस टू आस्क मी ऑल काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. और फिर ही स्टार्टेड टू शो मी एन एक्सप्रेशन दैट ही वॉन्ट्स टू आस्क मी सो मेनी क्वेश्चंस. But he did not. लेकिन उसने कुछ नहीं पूछा. He simply said something in his dialect and indicated direction with his hand. Something he said out in his own language and in own words, and then he showed his hand to that in that direction the school is going to be. The school was an old thatched building. Thatched मतलब टूटा फूटा एक building, probably built by tribals. Tribals maybe had made that. It was a primary school. I could see a few children playing outside. I could see some children playing outside while others were busy with under a shed-like shelter doing something with leaves and straws. And some children were sitting inside the hall. They were making something with leaves and straws. Okay, so finally the speaker reached the school and he saw some children playing outside, some are inside. And what else he saw? What else experience he got? That I'll discuss in my next class. You read this part and try to enjoy the scenario, the natural beauty which the speaker wanted to depict through this story. Okay, take care, be healthy. Very soon I'll be with you in the next part of this chapter.